How to use this book. Find the images with colored dots on each page. Ask the child to identify the number within it. If they consistently struggle to recognize the numbers, they might have color vision deficiency. Scan the QR code for further guidance. Things to keep in mind. Use the book under good lighting and a comfortable setting. Hold the book at a natural reading distance. Give around 3 seconds per number, keeping the activity brief. Let them answer without help or pressure. Observe and note how the child responds. Don't overuse the book. Test occasionally.